Hello, this is a Sprint 3 and 4 individual progress update for the group course planner by Ezekiel Ramirez. In this breakdown of labor, we will review the breakdown of labor for the last sprint. So I worked on two features. The first one was the setting up of the React IDE. This is complete, and I worked on this with Marcus. I estimated 2 points and consumed 2. I worked for 124 minutes. My second feature was setting up the database connection, and this is still working in progress. I worked on this with Aria. I estimated 8 points and consumed 6.33. I worked on this for 381 minutes. In total, I estimated 10 points and I consumed 8.33, and I worked a total of 506 minutes. And here is the Trello board showing my information. Here we can see I logged in 2 hours and 4 minutes for the React catch-up, and for the API connection of the database, logged in 6 hours and 21 minutes. As for new feature demos, I would like to demonstrate the database setup and the IDE access. First, we'll check the database. Here you can see two of my collections, courses and users. Within courses, you can add information for the semester that the course will be held, information for the section, so A, B, C, or D, and the professor who's teaching it, and potentially what students are registering for this class. My second collection is made up of users, and it will have information such as their student ID, their age, and their name. My second feature I would like to demonstrate is the IDE access. Here is the main project page that my team has been working on. I have been able to set it up and catch up with the rest of the team. In the second project, I have been testing out how to connect the front end to the back end database structure using these keys. And when you run this code and you connect it to your local network, you get a page that looks like this. 2 links. And after a few times of running this code, my main page did change up a little bit, and I'm not sure why. And unfortunately, for some reason, I have been unable to connect the database to the front-end code, despite having the connections set up. As you can see here, as of the creation of this project, this database, there have been no connections to users. Now, we will check in with the GitHub. Out of 5 branches, I have used 2. Each branch of mine follows a different tutorial for how to connect the database to the front end. Zeekr database and Zeekr. New code highlights. We will take a look at the GitHub repository and look at the most recent push. So the one that was updated most recently was Zeekr database. And if you take a look at my commits, I have 4 in here. Within the most recent commit, we will see that I have removed some information starting at line 5. And this was more of a safety precaution. I didn't want anyone looking on GitHub to find our project and potentially have access to our database. Even though we don't have anything too vital or too accurate information pertaining to any school registered, it's more of a safety precaution as of right now. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.